Cambridge has finally responded on the allegations of the 9709 paper 12 leak. Now, if there was any doubt, the paper was in fact leaked, and after 3 months of investigation, Cambridge have finally come to a conclusion. And in this video, we'll discuss their response to the issue. In the response, they basically say that to ensure that those students who cheated do not get an unfair advantage, they're going to completely disregard the marks for the paper 12. This means that whether you did well or you did terribly, it's all for nothing. It's not going to count. They're going to use a method they call assessed marks, which is something they typically use when a student misses a particular paper due to illness. The way assessed marks work is that they'll use your performance in the other components in relation to other students to determine how well you'd have done for paper 12. So say for example we have 100 students doing AS level maths, that's pure 1 and stats 1. Since the pure 1 paper was leaked, they are going to disregard that paper, and we're going to use stats 1 to determine how well students would have performed in pure 1. So let's say for example we have a student who was only outperformed by 9 students in stats 1. It means that when they now determine the pure 1 grades for that student, they're going to make sure that that student will only be outperformed by 9 students in pure 1. In a nutshell, that's basically what it is, but obviously there's a lot more that goes into calculating your assessed marks. For example, they are aware that students typically perform better in pure 1 than stats 1, so they'll also take that into consideration when they're calculating your assessed marks for pure 1. Now obviously some of you may not be happy with this resolution and you might have done terribly for stats 1. If that's the case, Cambridge has stated that you can resit this same option that you set in May-June in the November 2024 series free of charge, and then after your results come out, you can decide which results you want to carry forward, either your May-June results or your November results. It's honestly a terrible situation anytime a paper gets leaked, and I do apologize to anyone who has to go through this. Some of you may have underperformed for stats 1, and now your pure 1 results will be based off of that. And some of you may even have lost motivation to prepare for stats 1 after initially hearing about the rumors of the pure 1 leak. But anyways, it is what it is. We'll see when the results come out. Hopefully the assessed marks are fair. I have linked the full letter from Cambridge in the description down below if you want to go through it by yourself. A huge shout out to Sir Zain because I got this letter from his video on this issue. Otherwise, that's all from me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.